I've got my Oceanista beach lifestyle box. So if you want to see what they curated for summer season, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe Bandit are with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Oceanista is a beachy lifestyle subscription box. It comes out seasonally, and there are some choice items. Now, this time around, I made my choice, and then I got an email saying, hey, you haven't made your choices yet. So I made choices again. So I really don't know what I'm going to be getting in here. Because truth be told, I did choose differently the second time around. So let's see. Here is the little book, and Sea Maiden. Oh, this is spring. This is spring 2023. And now they're saying, we tried reaching you, and you can customize. I customized twice. So there must have been a glitch. I'm going to have to email them because I did customize twice. All right, the first time around, I did choose this, but I think in a different color. And then when I re-chose, I was like, you know what? I really don't need another one of these kind of beach throw things. So, yeah. I don't even know what size this is. This looks kind of small. It's one size fits most. This is the Cape Majestic Lace Kimono, and it's a $49 value. So there were different colors, and I have to email them and say, like, hey, I did choose twice. So, I mean, it's all right. I'll either get use out of it or gift it. Okay, the next choice item was a little clutch, and there were two styles to choose from. So this is the one that they sent me. And it's just a little tiny thing to put, I have no idea what in. This retails for $34. Just says Oceanista, so I'm guessing this is their in-house brand. Next, by Dogfish Designs. Look at how pretty that is. There is this little shell trinket dish with this beautiful mermaid on there, and that's a $36 value. Next, by Nectar. All right, we've got some sunnies. You know I love sunnies. These are a $59 value, and these are the Chatham sunglasses. So this was another, I don't know if it was a choice or if they chose for you. So the one that they sent me was just me, my coffee, and some vitamin C. And then the other one said Mermaid juice, and it was of a blue color inside. All right, it does say it was chosen at random for members. So there you go right there. I have some little candies and a Maui Soap Company nail polish in this very bright pink. And that is a $9 value. Now, I'm not certain. I know it didn't come in my box, so I don't know if it was a choice between the Spongel. I don't recall this being a choice at all. I didn't get this Spongel. This is a beach grass petty buffer, and I did not receive that. I don't know if I was supposed to or not, if it just is missing from my box or what's going on. So I will reach out because it doesn't say choice, and I don't recall this being the choice, but I will have to check on that. Okay, that is my Oceanista box for spring, I guess. I thought it was summer, but spring of 2023. So let me know your thoughts. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.